How to find a reliable and scalable cosmetic manufacturer. Step 1. Check their laboratory. See their cosmetic. Research and development capabilities. Step 2. Check their sample room. Explore their quantity of formulas, samples. Enabling fully flexible and custom solutions. And check cosmetic packaging. See how many global customers they have worked with. Step 3. Check their production lines, including their SOPs of production standards. Includes their scale of production lines, approximately 100,000 pieces per day. The level of standardization and quality control, SOP, and strict sanitizing procedures. Mature warehouse management and faster and flexible logistics. Step 4. Check their qualification. Ask them to provide certificates like GMP-C, ISO, GMP, SGS. If possible, ask for documents like FDA Halal. Want to create a cosmetic brand, but then to know any technology? We have much experience in ODM and OEM. Now partner with us today for the next hot sale beauty brand.